The weapon used by KFP Characters is a power-type stick club mace. It seems challenging to find corresponding animations in the marketplace. Nevertheless, we can still discover alternative animations. We can view the stick as a dagger, the club as a sword, and the mace as a war hammer. It depends on whether the animations have stereotypical poses for daggers, swords, or war hammers. If so, we can exclude those animations. What remains will be suitable for use with two-handed weapon, one-handed weapons, or heavy weapons. Animations that lack stereotypical impressions are versatile and can be used as substitutes for stick, club, and mace. Here are a few examples of animations available in the marketplace. You can see the dual blade poses. If they have stereotypical movements of wielding bladed weapons, they may not be suitable for KFP Characters' two-handed sticks. However, most of these animations do not have such stereotypes and can be replaced with animations suitable for two-handed sticks. Similarly, suitable alternatives can also be found from sword and warhammer animations. Here, you can find a multitude of alternative animations suitable for the two-handed stick. Let's take a look at other excellent animations in the marketplace. This one is also an ideal alternative animation. There are also numerous alternative animations available here. This selection offers many great options for substituting the war hammer with a one-handed heavy weapon. Some animations can evoke a kung fu vibe simply by modifying hand poses. However, the final combined effect of animation and characters is unknown, at least for KFP Characters. In the ALS system, the integration of characters and animations hasn't shown any unusual issues. Of course, when redirecting animations, adjusting redirected poses is a crucial step, especially concerning hand poses. It may influence how the character conveys different emotions. The above points summarize the message I wish to convey. I hope everyone has a successful development. Thank you.